Attention! Only be applied to 12 volt. Red wire is positive with inline fuse, black wire negative, blue wire brake light. 16 kinds of static color, 2 color cycle mode, 3 flashing mode, 1 fading mode. Waterproof and durable. Motorcycle LED light kit completely reach the IP68 international standard. That means it can be even used on heavy rainy days. Easy installation, with super sticky tape on the back of the motorcycle strip lights and flexible design. It's easily to be bent or curved to desired position.